What's up, guys? In this activity video, you will complete 5 fun classroom activities on employing language and structure appropriately and effectively for a variety of purposes. Before we begin, remember to pause the video whenever you need more time to complete an activity. Are you ready? Let's begin. Activity 1. Choose the better vlogger. Read each pair of vlog introductions. Choose which vlogger uses better language. Write only the letter of your answer. Let us answer one example together. Vlogger A says, "Good day, everyone. Today I will show you 3 simple ways to stay organized in school." Vlogger B says, "I don't know if this video is useful, but just watch it." Now, which vlogger communicates better? The answer is Vlogger A. Why? Vlogger A greets the audience politely, clearly introduces the topic, and sounds confident, while Vlogger B sounds unsure and does not encourage viewers to continue watching. Now it's your turn. Good luck with Activity 1. Activity 2. Build the perfect vlog. Read each set of mixed up vlog parts. Arrange them in the correct order. Write the letters only. Let's try one example. A. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. B. Good day. Welcome back to my channel. C. Today I'll share 3 ways to stay healthy during exam week. D. First, get enough sleep. Second, eat healthy meals. Finally, drink plenty of water. What is the correct order? It is BCDA. Why? The vlog starts with a greeting. Then it introduces the topic. Next, it explains the main ideas. Finally, it ends with a closing message. Now get ready to dive into Activity 2. Before we continue, please give this activity video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Activity 3. Bridge the ideas. Read each short vlog script. Choose the best cohesive device to complete each blank. Here's an example. The choices are first, next, and finally. It says, "Today I'll show you my morning study routine. Blank, I prepare all my notebooks." Blank, I review my lessons for 30 minutes. And blank, I eat breakfast before going to school. The correct answers are first, next, finally. Now, why? The speaker is explaining steps in order. The cohesive devices help listeners follow the sequence easily. Easy peasy, right? Now let us begin activity 3. Activity 4, one topic, 3 different vlogs. Read the examples carefully, then complete the activity. For part A, complete the opening and introduction for each purpose. For part B, answer the questions. Example, the topic, school library. If it's an informative vlog, it would say, "Good day. Today I will introduce the different services available in our school library." And the purpose is to give information. If it's persuasive, it would say, "Looking for a quiet place to study? Visit our school library and discover how it can help you succeed." The purpose is to convince viewers. If the vlog is entertaining, it would say, "Guess what happened when I accidentally entered the silent reading room wearing noisy shoes?" The purpose is to entertain viewers. Notice that the topic is the same, but the language and structure are different because each vlog has a different purpose. Now jump into activity 4. Good luck. Activity 5, create your own vlog script. Imagine that you are creating a vlog for your school's official social media page. Your task is to write a short vlog script that communicates your chosen purpose clearly and effectively. Let's look at an example. The topic, health study habits. The purpose is informative. Now here's the sample vlog script. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing 3 healthy study habits that can help you become a more effective learner. First, create a study schedule that you can follow every day. Next, remove distractions such as your phone while studying. Finally, remember to take short breaks so your mind stays fresh. I hope these simple tips will help you improve your study habits. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. Why is this an effective vlog? First, it uses respectful language. The ideas are organized. Cohesive devices connect each idea. And the purpose is clear. Think you got what it takes to become a vlogger? Let us do Activity 5. Now let us check how you did with our activities. Pause the video to check your answers carefully.
Yeah, man, come on in now. Got the knowledge you've been needing. From grade 7 up to 11, English lessons feel like heaven. Learning is easy with Teacher Fish. And helping students level up in school, life, and the future. Level up! Ooh, yeah, yeah. Grade 7 to 10 and the big grade 11. English class feeling like a little piece of heaven. Make the lessons easy so they're easy to connect. Building up your confidence and your intellect. Learning is easy with Teacher Fish. It's a promise and a wish, yeah. Helping students level up. Level up now. In school life and the future. With Teacher Fish. Yeah, man, come on in now. Got the knowledge you've been needing. From grade 7 up to 11, English lessons feel like heaven. Learning is easy with Teacher Fish. And helping students level up in school, life, and the future.